Bang, bang, I bought Mustang. Bang, bang, just doing my thing.
What's up, everyone? So I want to introduce you to my new car. This is a 1966 Mustang, as you can see. I bought her a couple weeks ago now. I got an oil change. That's how she looks. Her name is OG, as you can see. And I'm just gonna show you the car here. So this is how she looks on the inside. So where me and my baby, we go for rides. We've been for a couple of rides. Two chicks in an old school car. Everything has pretty much been restored. Let me show you up under the trunk here. Up under the hood, I'm sorry. Just gonna pop this. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. So that's how she looks. She is a beauty. I love it. So battery, she's V8. I always know you just count them. 8, so. Today I'm gonna use this Never Dull stuff, see how it works out on the rim. See if it makes it any more shiny. I believe these are all chrome. I'm also gonna try it on the front bumper here and see how it works out. I'll come right back and show you guys, but I love her. She runs good. I'll crank her up and let you hear how she sounds as well. So with this stuff, let's see. You just open it. This is how it looks. Saw some reviews on the internet. You really just grab a wad of it off. Kind of use it to just go over the rims here. And I'm gonna see how this stuff does with cleaning. Right now, it has a little residue, so I'm gonna have to wipe this off here and see how. So upon here, let me reduce the size a little bit. Okay, that's as low as it'll go. This is how it looks after I've cleaned it. I wiped it off with a rag here. So it does look shinier here and around here. I guess it is a little bit more shiny. I guess I see the most difference here on these areas. If you get some on the actual tire, it does leave a little white residue that I had to wipe away, which I really didn't care for, but it wiped away pretty easily, so not that big of a deal. So it worked pretty good, I would say. My first time using it. I know there's some better ones out there, but I just kind of wanted to try this stuff with the wide. So that's one clean. I'll show you the other one here that's not been cleaned with it. So that's that one. The sun's kind of messing it up a little bit, but you can see this one's not as shiny as this one, which is pretty shiny. It's pretty decent stuff, I'd say. Okay, so I used the Never Dull, and I did it on the front bumper. So I did this half and not this half, and also this half of the horse and not the left half, but the right half. So it is a difference. I have to probably clean it a little bit better, but you can see it is more shiny. It is cleaner. The bumper, you can't really tell that much. Maybe you can a little bit, but not really. But this part versus this part, so it's like this. So it does seem to be a little bit cleaner. Need to get a little bit deeper in here and clean out some of these little crevices. All right, so this is the results after I used the Never Dull. These are the results. Back up a little bit here. So I used it on the bumper and on the Mustang emblem, and on the chrome lining. So it is a lot cleaner. It was pretty easy to use. I did have to go over it several times. I probably went over it like 5 times with 5 different wads of this stuff. It works. Would I recommend it? Probably not. I'll try something else next time, see if it works. Just because I had to go over it so many times, and the wadding is okay to use, but it starts kind of losing shape. And do I have a piece over here? It's a piece that I didn't use too much, but it gets a lot darker than this. I also used it on the rims here, so they are cleaner, but I'll try something else probably next time. But I just wanted to show you guys the results. I also did use it on the back, so I'll show you the back here. So I used it on the back bumper, and I cleaned a little bit of the exhaust off of the muffler part. So that's it.